Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As for today, I'll present about the introductions of the group reflection on the awareness on Malaysia palm oil assignment. Our core subjects, Personal Development and Ethics MGT538, organized a community project that was collaboration with Malaysian Palm Oil Council MPOC, which was held in April 2021 until June 2021. So what is the purpose of these collaborations? One of the main purpose of this collaboration is to spread awareness about palm oil. By how? So, the organizer made a competition like an innovation video followed student creativity. The topic can be the importance of palm oil for health, the benefits of palm oil in daily life, and the secret nutrition of the palm oil that is unknown. So, moreover, an abundance of innovative ideas also can drastically spread the awareness about the palm oil. Continuously, as a student that is already done with the assignment given, we are focusing on issues that are concerned by students while the project running. Several problems occur in order to conduct the perfect outcomes. For sure, for this project, the use of personal development elements can help us in solving the problems. There are some issues that occur during the projects. The issues are such as poor communications or misunderstanding, unequal contribution, and lack of focus in completing the assignment. So there are three major problems that need to be solved. The particular solution as little as possible give blessing and advantage for us in this project.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is UMAIRAH ZAKIRAH binti Muhammad Isa, and I will be explaining about the issue concerned by students during completing the assignment on the awareness on Malaysian palm oil. The first major issue faced by the students, especially in our group, are poor communications or misunderstanding what has been discussed in a group since we did not conduct any physical meeting. Conducting a meeting through online to discuss the product that we want to make and dividing the work is harder due to how most team members have the problem regarding the internet connections. In addition to that, using WhatsApp as a platform to communicate also includes misinterpretation of words because expressing, illustrating, and combining ideas cannot be done by just writing and voice notes but needs to be done by sketching. The second major issue is unequal contributions. When the number of students in one group is 9 students, they tend to have taken the task lightly. Some group members may be quieter than others and do not contribute to the discussion. When group members did not participate in a discussion, most of us are struggling to come up with an idea that takes time to move to the next step in doing the assignment. Last but not least, the problem faced by the students is lack of focus. Most of us are not able to maintain the efficiency in the assignment because of the overload work assignment in other subject that needs to be done in the same deadline as the Malaysian palm oil assignment. Online distance learning has taken most of our time doing the assignment due to how we are not able to sit together as a group members and focus on doing the same thing. That is all from me. Thank you.
So for the first major problem that has arisen during the completion of this project paper would be that poor communication or misunderstanding what has been discussed in a group. So the minor problem that falls under this category would be to discuss the product that we want to make, and dividing the work through online is harder. So the solution for this would be that the group leader should always summarize what are needed to be completed by each group member as what has been discussed orally during online meeting, and follow up with notes of discussion in WhatsApp. So another minor problem that falls under this category would be that students tend to have problem with their internet connections. So the solution for this would be to establish a process for each scenario that you can imagine. For example, if any group member's internet is disconnected, any one of the other group members can video record what has been discussed and pass to the team member, or having a one-to-one update with the person through calls can prevent loss of communication. So another minor problem that falls under this category would also be the problem of expressing, illustrating, and combining ideas, which cannot be done by just writing and voice notes but needs to be done by sketching. So the solution that I would propose for this minor problem is to use sketching or designing apps such as Canva. Communicate when the Canva work is available for other team members to perform their parts on the Canva. So the next major problem would be unequal contributions. So the first minor problem that falls under this major problem would be some group members may be quieter than others and do not contribute to the discussions. So the solutions that I would propose for this minor problem would be positive leaders with the ability to delegate the tasks in a fair way and keep the group united. Group leaders' early communication is key to make sure everyone is focused on common goals. So another minor problem that also falls under this category would be that other members often struggle to come up with an idea when less idea is being implemented. So the solution for this would be to remove the focus on individual members and to brainstorm as a group will be a better option, and make it clear to others that negative statements are not allowed to be made during the brainstorming sessions. Remember to reassure all members that their opinions are valid. So the last major problem would be the lack of focus. So the minor problem that falls under this category would be overload work assignments in other subjects that needs to be done in the same deadline as this assignment. So the solution for this would be make a list of your top 3 priorities for that day. The short list will keep you focused on the bigger picture and hopefully prevent you from getting swept up in the many tasks to be performed. Another minor problem would be that we are not able to set the same mindset and sit down together to focus on doing the same thing. So the solution for this minor problem would be start by controlling whatever you can to create an environment that's conducive to highly focused work. You can rank items by priority and make separate lists for daily, weekly, and monthly objectives. So that is all for me. Thank you.
For the last part, I will present the knowledge and benefits we gained throughout this project. Despite many obstacles in the success of this project, we learned from that. The problems make us to know more about each other and it unites us to solve the problem no matter what for the success of this project. The main things we learn from this project is we should learn to appreciate our country's natural resources, which is palm oil. Before this project, I bet not everyone know that there are so many uses of palm oil than just being used as cooking oil. Palm oil can be processed into various types of products such as homemade soap, candle, face mask, food wrapper, and many more. That just blowing our mind because we don't know that palm oil can create an amazing outcome. Besides all the innovations, we can think of making a business based on palm oil and generate income from the sale of the product. This opportunity should be used wisely and not being ignored. Second benefit is giving back. Getting involved in community projects in university or organizations help us to give something value to someone else. We get to use our skills and talent to convey useful information to the public. It is proof when our innovation video of palm oil got 500 more views and 100 more likes. We managed to give awareness to people that palm oil has many benefits and uses that most people didn't know. The next one is developing relationship and friendship. This part is really cool. We make connection and cultivate friendship not just within our group member, but with the public also. As a result, we managed to create the interesting video and poster to attract more public attention. Besides being able to strengthen our friendship, we also had fun at the same time throughout this project. All in all, this community project gave us big impact and we gained so many new knowledge throughout this project. We thank the organizer and our lecturer for all your guidance to us in completing our project successfully.